Look at this hoopty. Look at this hoopty.
Hoopty. Hoopty.
Hoopty.
Hoopty.
Alright, what's up everybody? Tonight we have our spec Tammy. We have Desert Spartans.
That's fucking Poopty! Oh, sorry, Poopty!
Our spec Tammy.
The new Poopty.
Desert. I can't think of something that's funny for your name. Right?
Sucks to suck.
What up? Cruising.
Cruising for a bruising? Come on, man. Come on. Put 'em up. Put 'em up. Wow. Ella Bape.
Ella Bape? Did you say Ella Bape? That doesn't even make it, that's not even a word, Ella Bape.
Origins, tonight is supposed to be a super huge meet out here in Anaheim, California. We're gonna be at Garden Walk, and of course, it wouldn't be an all-time Gen video if we didn't have the Genesis. We have Kyle's Genesis. Yeah, we have Junior's Hoopty. We have our spec Tammy's. And then of course, my Genesis.
Euro trash!
My Genesis, you guys watched in the last video, we took it apart and Junior still hasn't brought it back.
It got transformed into a worse vehicle.
We're fixing your manifold, alright? Give it time. And we got something in store for you guys.
Right.
For all you 2.0 turbo guys, just wait.
We have something very special for you guys.
Yes.
We're hanging out in front of a liquor store,
Thanks.
by the way.
We're loitering right now.
Registration was supposed to be, well, not even registration, right? It was, Roland was supposed to be at 7:30.
Roland access.
Early Roland access for 7:30 for the Origins meet.
It was 8.
Now they changed it to 8 and there's gonna be a ton of people. It's gonna be chaos.
And it's 7:36. We are, yeah.
7:36, yeah. I'm gonna censor out this first word, but how much percentage is this?
10%.
10%.
10 mother.
That's gonna taste like dick on a nasty day.
Dick.
I don't know how you know that part.
Oh god. Why do we always find ourselves in this aisle?
Tall girls,
We need Truly to sponsor us. It's your turn to do an ad read.
truly irresponsible.
Truly irritating.
Truly sponsor us. And
Yeah, 2 cops.
Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, we need more stools. We secured the bag, boys. Hector, you're telling us people are going in right now?
Yes, people are going in right now.
Like,
Right meow.
Right now.
Right meow. How do you feel about that, R-Spec Tammy?
This is
Our spec Tammy.
That's perfect.
We're literally, the cars are running and on. The Porsche right here. Hector's TC, way to join the party all late, bro. You're finally in.
My bad,
You're
but thank
finally
you,
in.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah, he's
This is
breaking out the
exactly how I
truth.
feel.
Right. Truly, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you for calming down our situation and leveling out our stress.
I know.
Damn,
What's up?
damn,
What's up?
This
What's
guy's
up?
trying to jump back into the party, huh?
Yeah, baby, I love flames. Woo!
God,
Come on, let's do that one more time.
dude, we're gonna. Oh, Jesus. We're stuck. Look how long this line is. So many people. I'm literally in the middle of the street. My car is sitting right here. It's so crazy. Needless to say, Origins is pretty lit. There's so many people here. It's absolutely ridiculous.
We're gonna drink our
We're still gonna drink. We're still gonna drink our Trulies and have a good time, right, Truly?
Yeah. Irresponsible.
Truly
I like how somebody
irresponsible.
just went and cut me off like they think they're cool. Oh, like, I got that space. You
Wow.
moved 5 cars. Good job.
Look at, there's a cop right here.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta break it to everybody. Your name's not Tammy.
It's Randy.
It's Randy.
He's just like so making fun of it. But yeah, it took us literally an hour 30 to get in here.
Dude, yeah.
It's just crazy, man.
But we finally made it in here. Unfortunately, we lost Hector and we lost Junior.
I don't know what
We got
happened.
separated.
He just went somewhere else.
Right.
I don't know.
What we will admit though is you have a pretty cool, hold on, let me get the microphone. You have a pretty cool Gen and you have a pretty cool Genesis badge that lights up. People probably want to know where you got that from.
Honestly, I just looked it up online and it was like KDM Warehouse, I think. It's basically a G80 badge, just light up. You just wire it to the
To the brake lights.
brake lights. Basically.
Right, so it's pretty sick. Every time he steps on the brake, there's a little red ring that lights up the rear of this Genesis badge, and obviously, as you guys can see, it's the newer Genesis, not our crappy Genesis.
The front one actually lights up, but it's not wired yet.
Right.
It's like those Infinity logos where they light up white.
Hey, Randy, can you hold this real quick? You and Kyle have your wings out? Is it up?
Yep, it's up.
There we go.
Got the big wing.
Big wing gang. You know how we do. You know how we do.
You'll have plenty of fun.
So what we did with ours.
Crack it open the Truly. What do you got there, Kyle?
I got my flag. Holy shit, it's too tall for this.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Look at this guy. What are you doing in here? This is an indoor event. Oh my, this guy is so extra.
Jesus.
So extra. Do you see? It's like up to the freaking ceiling. Alright, so introducing somebody new to the vlog. Randy, this is your car. People probably haven't seen this before. You have the art kit. You guys remember from a very long time ago, my buddy Tan actually had this kit. And I haven't really seen anybody else run it.
No, so pretty much,
Yeah.
I've always loved this kit. And since I don't see a lot of people in Southern California that have it, I just decided to pull the trigger on it.
Right,
The only thing different about this kit is this front bumper.
right.
It's still from Art Performance. It's called the Legato.
Yeah,
They have their own little kit, but I just decided to mix things up. You know,
Yeah.
give it a little spice.
right. Give it a little spice. I like the little Rocket Bunny holes in here. You got to put those lights in there. That'd be
I
pretty
do
sick.
have the lights actually. I just, you know,
Yeah.
wiring is not my thing.
Right.
So I'll have Kyle
Right.
do
The
that.
guy couldn't even freaking wire his
Yeah,
front one.
that too. Kyle's gonna do that. Not
Right.
me.
Your arrow's looking pretty sick on here.
Yeah, pretty much. It's made by a buddy that lives next to Kyle. His name's Street Flow Arrow. He makes any custom for all makes and models. So if you guys want anything, you know, you can hit
There
him
we
up.
go. Look at your boy Randy knows how to do a promo. There you
Exactly.
go. The art kit is sweet. Looks great. Randy, your car's put together really nicely. And
Thank you.
welcome to the vlog.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, good.
All right. So what's your opinion on vertical doors on our cars?
I want some.
Wouldn't they look
I
nice?
want some.
I can't even be friends with you guys anymore. I can't even be friends with you guys anymore. You like it?
Yeah, I do. I like the trigger. It's really, really nice.
Yeah.
I don't know how long that would take, honestly.
This took me so long to make, dude. This is like 3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years?
Yeah, 3 or 4 years in the making.
Can I go swing by?
Yeah, go for it.
We need to try and squeeze and get him to room. Are you talking about your car?
Yeah, look. Kyle, look.
He's right there. Watch out for the second.
No, not the trolley.
That was close.
I know.
Some hazard it.
Yeah, that'll probably be the easiest way.
Yeah.
Or you do that.
Yeah. Dude, wait, there's a Randy spitting game in the wild.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god. What did we do? Why are there so many people here?
I don't know. I don't know if they like it, they dislike it, but we're getting the attention, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Highlight of the show is definitely the Porsche. Everybody loves it.
Oh, shut up. Shut the front door.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Hey. Dang, man. What's up, dude?
What up?
Hey.
I know.
Look at this guy with his multiple jacket and everything. Yee.
You have to get for that one.
Right.
You don't want to know.
Yeah. Do 2 at a time. Do it.
Oh, yeah.
It felt really good, by the way. Oh, okay, hold on. My customer's car is coming through.
Your customer's car's coming through?
Look at the lights.
Dang, this is a great Mercedes.
Piece of shit.
Bill lights.
These are Hector's lights.
Yep, my lights.
Whoa, what? Cruising lights are what?
Hey, you did a good job on those lights, Hector.
you, sir.
You did a
Thank
good
you.
job on those lights.
That whole car is me. The entire car.
No, but everybody sees the lights
Front
first.
bumper, rear bumper,
Yeah, that is-
everything.
Hey, dude, look at this kit. Dude, I've never seen a carbon fiber wide body in my life that looked this good. Yeah?
Embarrassed. Why does it look so?
Dude, look at this. Whole carbon fiber fender flares. Now, these are not like solid built out of carbon fiber. They are.
No, they're overlaid like pretty much 99% of anything that's made in carbon fiber nowadays. What's up, dude?
How you been?
Good.
Mr. JDVQ? Where's your car?
5th floor.
On the 5th floor, bro.
5th floor because
Wow.
I came late.
Woo! Mr. Quick Nick, the Origins meet right here in the Garden Walk of Disney. Look how crazy this parking structure is. It's literally like out of a Fast and Furious movie. It's insane. Right-hand drive R32.
All right, I'm good with it.
With the chick?
With a chick. There's a chick in it.
This is f***ing crazy. There's so many people here. This is insane. many people are here.
Whoa!
Yo, what's good,
What's
G?
up?
Good to see you.
Dude, this is
Legend right here, Tyler.
Hell yeah, dude. What are you doing here?
Just checking out the cars with the homie George.
We'll catch you around. We'll link up with you soon.
The dude is an awesome pro skater. This meet has been absolutely wild. It's supposed to end in 30 minutes. And look at this shit, Hector. It's out the thing and probably around the block. Yeah.
Crazy, sir.
Crazy. It's crazy. That's crazy.
Crazy! Crazy!
This video is probably gonna be an absolute mess. What is happening? What is happening? There's nothing here.
Look at this line of cars.
I think Garden Walk does not approve of this.
They're not gonna do another one.
Garden Walk is never gonna let us do this again. One. And two, you can only imagine what it smells like here. It smells like burnt tires, burnt clutch, and a whole bunch of weed.
Yeah, a lot of weed, that's for sure.
We're walking in between the cars. Holy shit.
Oh my god. What are we doing? Let's go. What is this meat, JD? What is it?
Best of show.
Yeah.
Here, let's go up. We're going back up. We're gonna keep going into the shit show.
We can only go up from here. This is how you combat people who rev like idiots. Go for it.
That's it, bro. We got you revving it. Yeah.
Ace 23. Ace 23.
Yo, it's awesome, man. You got a tiny dick. Stupid ass. You got a tiny ass dick.
Oh my god! That's funny as f. Again, a scene straight out of Fast and Furious.
Turn it.
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
I hope the owner saw you do that.
You what?
I hope the owner saw you do that.
Probably. Yeah.
See, it's got a pro charger.
Tyler! What's up? Long time no see.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Oh my god, look how many people. Look at it.
The clean ass Supra here, you got even a better ass Supra right here. And then you got the biggest piece of shit right here, and it's the loudest. Why do you want to be the loudest piece of shit here?
Right.
Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Jesus Christ, now we're walking out of the parking structure finally. We can now breathe once again. My ears are thanking me for being out of there. So again, overall consensus of what just happened. Origin, usually their meets are pretty tame and pretty good, but at this point there's 5 different levels in this parking structure. It's hard to contain everybody and everything that they're doing. And honestly, there's just way too many people here to even try and control. It's more tame down here. Brandon! Yo! Oh shit! How you been? I've been good. I've been great, yeah. 121, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Live the life, bro. Night. Yeah, dude. Night and day different meat. Night and day different meat. At the bottom level, base level here, people are chilling. People are respecting the location, the venue. I mean, it smells down here. It smells like ass. It smells bad. But at least it's more.
Tyler, close your legs.
Yeah. Jeez.
Small sacrifice to pay.
Yeah, small sacrifice to pay for your sanity in your ears. I think that's probably gonna be it for us at this meet. Did you guys have fun? You guys have fun?
It was fun. Yeah, it was fun.
Hell yeah.
Good. It was a good shit show.
It was a good shit show.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Origins, for putting on this meet. Continue to watch what we have, because I promise you we have some pretty crazy stuff in store, right, Junior?
Yes, sir, we do. Just you wait.
Just wait on it. We'll catch you guys in the next video. We're out of here.
Same ones just talking run. When my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night. Money on the line, keep calling. Money on the books, need all that. My kids, they'll be ballin'. Got a real bankroll now.